The IEC will get the ball rolling to ensure that it delivers free and fair elections that will for the first time accommodate independent candidates to contest in provincial and national elections.
We will have to be ready to conduct an election at the earliest opportunity. And so we welcome this enactment of the law. This for us was a missing puzzle in the whole equation. Given what we now know, there will be a registration weekend over the weekend of the 18th and 19th of November this year.
The Act requires the Minister of Home Affairs to establish the Electoral Reform Consultation Panel within 4 months of gazetting the amendments. The panel will make recommendations on potential reforms of the electoral system for future elections of the National Assembly and the provincial legislatures after next year's polls.
The electoral system that we have for 2024 can be seen as a transitional electoral system, because after that a panel is constituted and that panel will do a reform exercise around the electoral system, and it would have to structure its work such that there's a new electoral system, or rather a revised electoral system, by the time of the 2029 national and provincial elections.
A number of changes will be implemented which will enable the IEC to comply with the new Act.
First, the amended Act provides for an additional ballot paper in the election of the National Assembly, thereby offering voters a non-binary choice of either a party or an independent. The effect of this is that the regional and compensatory ballots are separate. In other words, 2 ballots instead of a single ballot, as was previously the case. The regional ballot for the National Assembly includes parties and independent candidates.
However, some civil society organizations have threatened to launch legal action, arguing that it is flawed in its current form. Natasha Piri, SABC News, Johannesburg.